Hello, boys and girls, it's Google Classroom time. So you're going to click onto classwork and you're going to scroll down. So you're going to scroll right down. Keep going down, straight down to activity corner. Here it is. And you're going to look for week 5. When you click on week 5, you will see letter H exercise. Click onto that one. And you scroll the page down. It says the letter H, and the H says match the word with the picture. So here are some words over this side and some pictures are there. Here's the word heart. You're going to draw the line from the heart straight down to the picture of the heart. Yes, just like that. Let it go from the word hen to the picture of the hen. Very good. From the word hand to the picture of the hand. This is an interactive activity and the children will enjoy doing that. All right, from the word hat to the picture of the hat. Yes, this is lovely. Once they are finished doing that, you click finish. Then this page will come up, says check my answers or email my answer to teacher. Go ahead and do that. Click in your child's name, grade level, school, literacy, put it literacy there. Your teacher's email will be blairtamar@gmail.com. Then you click send. And then your child's answer will be sent to my email, which is your teacher. And then you can go back up to view your child's score and you will enjoy this activity. Let's get ready.